The following program is rated VX for very exciting. Viewer discretion required.
My name is Vaughn, James Vaughn, and this is the Vaughn Test Kitchen. Prepare to be shaken and stirred. 3 measures of dry gin, 1 of vodka, half a measure of Lillet Blanc. Shake it very well until it's ice cold. Then add a large thin slice of lemon peel. Got it? Start by chilling your glass. You can set that aside. Get our shaker. You're going to fill it with a generous amount of ice. That's not enough. A little more. Very good. One more piece. Okay, next you're going to need a jigger. This is a 2-ended. It has a full measure and a half measure. I'm using Nolets. Remember, 3 parts gin, 1 part vodka. Next, we add the vodka. You should use a inexpensive vodka for this because it's not going to make very much difference. Finally, a half measure of Lillet Blanc. There is no substitute for Lillet Blanc. Please do not try it. And also be very careful about not going over the half measure. Okay, you can shake it up now and set it aside to rest for a bit. Okay, we're ready to pour, but we are not finished yet. There is one more vital step to be made. Using a good peeler, get a generous strip of lemon peel. Now hold it over the cocktail and squeeze it. Pinch it like this to get the essential oils out of it, and then drop the peel in, and we're ready to drink. The Vesper. Cheers.